Oof, yaar, you're too pretty. Is it a bad thing?
अरे एक्टर बनना चाहती हो? ऐसे देखते थे. तो I think it breaks your confidence somewhere, and body confidence is very important. At some stage we'll go beyond that.
And I think bodily wise, look, I'm going to say something on Pink Villa, and I don't mind saying it. But everybody, used to put pressure on having like the right fit, you know what I mean? Like I have to have the right chest size and it all has to look very, very balanced. I was constantly told in the beginning of my career कि भाई कुछ कर लो, जैसे आजकल actresses are getting implants. Why don't you do it? It'll make our life easier. And I started to be like, I don't want to do that. It's something like I'm not against anybody doing it, but I don't want to do it. And because of that, I think I constantly had to portray something in films, which is by padding and cleavage or sexy or ye or wo and sexy Sam. And that thing went on and on for so long that by the end of my career, it really made me confused about what my real body was, and I began hating my real body. Because there was so much padding, there was butt padding, there was chest padding, there was stomach, corsets and Spanx. And by the end of it, you look at your real body and you feel like it's not nice. At this age, I finally understood I've spent the last 20 years undoing what my teenage years have done to me. You have to today get up and say, I want to feel good. I don't care what you say. If you think I'm not great as this actress or I'm not as fair as that person, it shouldn't make a damn difference.
But what you do get comfortable with is your skin, is who you are. And then you get to that point where you say, bad day, but if I wake up tomorrow morning and I want to be a 10, I'm going to be a 10. That confidence comes with age. That unfortunately doesn't come at 18. Definitely not at the time that I was 18. I was one of those brilliant people who put on weight and then went on national TV and did a show with Wasim Akram, if you remember. I was superbly overweight. So it became like national news. I would see, those stickers under the news channel? Headlines mein, have you seen Sushmita Sen? But I learned something during that time. I will lose the weight. But what are we going to do about the character everyone else lost in the process? So I think body shaming is not a cool concept. I've never liked it. But yes, in today's time, if you tell me to define the business of beauty and perfection, I'd tell you just walk all over it, darling. There's no such concept. The only thing that matters is how you perceive yourself. Do you like who you see in the mirror? And if you do, and good for you, don't listen to anybody else.
I was too short to be a model. I was too pretty to be a ramp model.
Really?
Too short to be a ramp model. You should just do commercials and Bollywood. And Bollywood would be said to me like, it's a bad thing.
I remember I felt ugly, Nandi. I felt like shit. And for months, which felt like 6 months. I don't know whether they were really 6 months. I don't think I looked at myself in the mirror. I didn't like what I saw because I thought I was ugly. You know, of course, there were many other instances, many other experiences that made me realize that I have to love and accept myself the way I am.
Yeah.
That was one of those instances. Because
And that too so early in your career.
Yeah, and someone may find you beautiful, someone may find you drop dead gorgeous, someone may find you shit ugly. But it's how you feel about yourself that matters.
Stereotype of the Indian heroine was a fair, petite girl. And I did not fit that bracket. So the dusky was always prominent and in bold every time.
The worst part is I used to get fat shamed by people within the industry and by the media. And that really hurt. I was like, here there's someone who's trying to do something different, who does, okay fine, I don't look like your average stick figure person, but I don't have to. And honestly, I knew that my looks, I had a lot more to offer than just the way I look or how much I weighed on a weighing scale.